Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use HelloFresh Referral program. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, using the HelloFresh Referral program allows existing customers to earn account credit by inviting friends, while the friends receive a discount on their first box. The process involves sharing a unique referral link or code found in the account dashboard. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your personal account and then head into the refer a friend or hello reward section and find your referral link or code. Share this link via email, social media, or directly with friends. When a friend signs up using your link and completes their first purchase, you will receive account credit. Example, £20 in the UK, $20 to $60 in the US, depending on your current promotions. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.